Hi friends, let me show you my new 5 pieces moon face mirror set. Well, this is a nice addition to any room. You will get, okay, a setup like this, okay? And it's well, I think it's nice that if you put it in your living room, in a bedroom, wherever you want a nice touch, to have these 5 mirrors. They come with these double-coated, double-sided tapes, so you can install them. Let's do it. Okay, so I'm going to install it in my office because I want it to have a nice decor. And also these mirrors come with a protecting plastic covers, so when you take it off, when you install them and take this off, they will, well, they are really nice mirror surface. Okay, so let's install them.